Morning YouTube, it's Tuesday the 13th of September 2022 and today I'm going to get the welding done on this trusty beast. And yeah, so that's the main job. That's been holding me, I've been resting the last couple of days, so yeah, let's do it. I suppose one good point about me taking so long is that this should be ready to go for sure. Going to be using some of this. This cost me about 70p a length. They're a metre long, so I'm just going to cut a few in half and then that'll give us what we need. The plan is to have something like that, or I could go something like that. I'll tell you what, we'll go with that and then we'll get a longer bit and join them together. Sweet! I just need to explain quickly why I'm doing this. This isn't good enough and it just needs making more solid. I didn't realise until I put all this on that there was some serious problems with that. But anyway, that's that. A couple of things before I start welding. I may end up getting a couple more bits of this welding together so each of these bits fits all the way to the corners. When I weld to this, sorry, the trunking, whatever it's called, I'm going to go on weld setting 4. And when I weld here, I'll go on weld setting 6. And that stuff gets eaten away quite easily. This stuff will take the higher power, but first things first, got to chop some more of this and then put that in there. Trying this on power setting 4. Bear in mind it's fairly wet and cold. That actually went pretty well. It's laying on top a little bit, more than I would like, but I don't want to eat into the metal too much. Bingo, that's perfect, that one. Beautiful. See what I mean, they're laying on top a little bit too much, but we'll still get penetration there. We'll chip off the old slaggage, but that one is perfect. See what I mean about that weird stuff? Look at that. Very strange. Just going to turn it down to 4.5. I have to hold my breath while I'm welding that stuff. So that's the first bit. 1 down, 3 to go. It makes sense to bolt these together, I guess. Very cool. Look, it had some mud inside it. I've turned it down to level 4. This pipe isn't going to like it. Whew. That's good. Tricky at first, but that went on okay in the end. Sweet. Now a bit round this side, and then some there. Sweet.